Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. Guys, it is a gorgeous day here in Michigan, super sunny. It's cold though. Woke up to 57 degrees this morning. Walked out in my shorts and immediately started shivering. It was super cold, but we're up to 65 now and we're supposed to hit 73, and man is it windy. Hopefully these tickets don't blow away. But check this out, guys. Super windy. I have all the windows in the house open. No air conditioner needed today. 73 degrees is beautiful. I definitely need to cut the grass and pick the tomatoes. Probably have enough for a side salad there. Got to be careful with whatever's going around from, I think it's from lettuce or something. Guys, today I want to get on the cash train. We have 8 beautiful tickets in Escape with a beautiful $1 million win. Look at that, it's gorgeous. This morning was, we were off to a rough start. Probably the first time I said this on the channel. My kids, first I had some meetings thrown in, guys, which I just finished up a bunch of meetings. My kids were driving me a little bit crazy this morning. I think kids have meetings in the morning just to see how they can drive their parents crazy. They probably have like little meetings set to the side, guys, secret meetings. If so, my kids would probably be named, the title of their meeting would be How to Make Daddy Cry Today. I think that would sum it up. It took me 2 hours to get them ready, just to put on some clothes and brush their teeth and comb their hair. 2 hours. Sound like a broken record when I was yelling at them. Come on, we gotta get ready. Guys, let's get started. I've yipped too long. Number 37 through 44. I cried a little bit, just for those of you wondering. It's a lot easier when both of us are here, both parents, but my wife is traveling right now. She'll be back in a day or two. All right, let's get started. Number 37. What are the odds on this? The odds are 1 in 3.63. We have 8 tries. Guys, I am calling out 4 winners. That's right. 4 beautiful winners. That's what I think will happen. And look who's here. Mr. Washington. Still not talking to you. He's still not talking to me. Partied way too long without him. Here we go. Let's go kind of fast since we got 8 tickets. Plus, I want to go to Profitsville. 20, 17, 42, 34, 15 are the winning numbers. Let's do it to it. I would love to find, I forgot to show you, the train, $100 instant win, or this money bag. Either symbol. Let me know in the comments, have you guys hit any of the symbols? Come on. Beautiful number 6, not there. 43, oh, right beside the 42, inverse of that, 34. Let's go. Need some money. 26. 41 on the other side of the 42. It is teasing. Come on. Guys, if you are playing the daily 3, and hopefully I get this video out in time, I'm still going to play the 2, 3, 4. 38, 44. 5 more chances here on the bottom. 54. 25. 2 more chances. Come on, save us. And on the river, 46. Loser. All right, guys, moving on to ticket number 2. Number 38 in the corner. Let's go. 38 is the ticket number. All right, winning numbers are 37, 4, 22, 3, 21. Let's go. There's that 42 we needed on the other ticket, I think. Yes. 11. Just one train, please. Hope everyone is having a great day and all your dreams are coming true. 2, right beside the 3. 36 beside the 37. It is teasing. Teasing but not pleasing. Come on. 34, 35. Thought it was going to be 36 there. 25, no good. It's not looking good, guys. 6, do we have a 6? No, we do not. And 14. Another losing ticket. Ouch. Alright, let's move on to ticket number 3, which is number 39 in the corner. Here we go. If you are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe, that like, and that notification bell. We scratch every day so you don't have to. Take a lot of beatings too, guys. 19, 29, 25, 14, and 41 is our winning numbers. We are in search of a jackpot. That is our only quest on this channel, is to hit a jackpot. Come on. No winner still? Wow. Show us the money. That 42 right beside the 41. Come on, train. Or money bag. In Michigan, it seems, 26 right beside the 25. Seems like the win-all symbols are super hard to get. 38. 22. 37. 16, beautiful number 16, not up there and on the river. It is 13, right beside the 14. Another losing ticket. 3 in a row. All right, number 40. Here we go. Winning numbers are 23, 46, 31, 33, and 38. Let's hit it. 8, nope. 36. 33, yes. Finally, guys, winner number 33. Can we get some more? Took 4 tickets to hit that. 32. Let's get some more. Sun's trying to come out again. 13, do we have, we do not have a 13. 16. 52. 26, nope. I'm coming from the bottom here, or coming from the bottom, guys, so it doesn't blur. 35, nope. 14, and on the river is 12. Winner, guys. $10 denomination, cash train, up to $1 million. I hope it can be $1 million. I wish. Let's do it. Let's see what we can hit. Big zeros, come on. Small zeros. Money back. I have noticed that these tickets like to do a lot of money backs. I'll need to take a look and see how many winners there are for the money back versus the big ones, guys. Number 41 in the corner. At least we got something so far. Let's keep going. First win out of 4 tickets. We got 4 more tickets. 29, 19, 25, 20, and 13 are our winning numbers. Here we go. Oh, thought it was an automatic win right there. 34. 48. Come on. 3. Show us the money. We need back-to-back wins. That 20 right beside the 21. 7. 28 beside the 29. Beautiful number 16, not up there. I'm coming from the bottom. 2 more chances. And on the river, 41. Guys, this ticket is a loser. Let's move on to, what is it? Ticket number 6. Let's go. This is a 42 in the corner. Winning numbers are 36, 33, 11, 46, and 6. A lot of sixes up there. Look at that. First one's a winner, 11. Yes! Can we get a coverall, please? Let's do it. Do we have a 32? No, we're upside to 33. 14. 31. Nope. Big bug on me. 46, a second winner, guys. 24. 1. 2 winners so far. 49. Nope. Come on, give us some more. 37. All right, I'm coming from the bottom. So far, 2 winners. 48. 45, right beside the 46. 2 more chances. 43, and on the river. Beautiful number 16, not up there. All right, guys, winner, winner. Our second ticket winning out of rule of 8. We hit 2 spots. We hit beautiful number 11, and we hit beautiful number 46. All right, let's see what it's worth. Please be huge. Small zeros. 10. More small zeros. And another 10. Guys, it is a double up. We will take it, though. All right. 2 more tickets. Number 43 in the corner. Here we go. Winning numbers are 7, 41. Our beautiful number 16's up there. 3 and 8. Let's do it to it. Where is that train or that money bag? Give it to us. 9 right beside the 8. 17. Nope. Right beside the 16. Come on. 2. No 2. Right beside the 3. Oh, I thought it was 16 there for a second. I saw that 6. 51. 33, not up there. 19, not there, guys. I'm coming from the bottom, so 38. 14. 2 more chances. 52, and on the river. 30. Loser, loser. Ouch. All right, guys, last ticket. Number 44. Oh, looks like I jumped some numbers there, maybe. Oh, no, I didn't. 43 and then 44. Okay. Here we go. Last ticket, number 44. Can we get a win? So far, we've only won on 2 tickets. Winning numbers are 30, 26, 29, 2, and 23. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these cash trains. Have you hit anything great on them yet? No good. We need a win. 40. Nope. Got a 30 up there. 45. 44. Number of the ticket, and it's not up there. Come on. 27. Right beside the 26. All right, guys. Last 5 chances. This is not looking good. We need something. 20. 5. And on the river. Save us. 31. Right beside the 30. Ouch. Guys, unfortunately, let me be the first to welcome you to Losersville. We spent a beautiful $80. And we only won 30 back. Not even half. Oh, that hurts. Guys, this is what usually happens when you play this game. Please play responsibly. Play with only money that you can lose. Consider it gone as soon as you hand the money over. anything you get back is great, and if you get a lot more back, it's even better, right? All right, I'm gonna go in, make sure I don't have any more meetings. I'm gonna get out here and pick some of the cherries here, or not cherries, tomatoes here soon. I wish they were cherries. I love cherries. And then, yeah, just hang out. Gotta go get the kids soon, but it is absolutely beautiful. They can do some bike riding today. All right, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this ticket, and I'll see you back here shortly with more Ticket Scratch. And remember, the daily 3, if this gets out in time, I'm thinking today or tonight, 2, 3, 4. All right, take it easy, guys.